Hello, how are you today? We are going to make a scrub cap out of Ankara fabric. That scrub cap that is on the picture there. And for this, we'll need about three or four pieces of fabric. One like that's egg shaped and is about 8.5 inches long and 6.5 inches wide, and then we'll need another strip of fabric that is 48 inches uh, by 2 inch, or have two of them if your fabric is not enough. And then there's the other one that is 22 inches by 4.5. First of all, fold the sides of the 22-inch long piece of fabric, both sides, and to neaten that raw edge. And then the other strip of fabric that's supposed to be 48 inches long. For this one, I didn't have a piece of fabric that was long enough, so I did 24 and 24, join them together. And then you're supposed to make a bias like fold that will go at the bottom of the cap. I like to start with the middle. So I've folded it. Ideally you should fold and iron, but we're doing it the easy way today. Comes with a lot of experience. So there, pin it there, then fold it again. Remember, it's 2 inches wide, so your end result will be half an inch. Fold half, 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 half. Start from one edge, then stitch it onto the piece that is 22 inches and 4.5 inches wide. That will be the piece that will be at the side. It will be the side piece of the scrub cap. So keep stitching all the way to the end. Then when you're finally done, mark the center of that piece and the center of the egg-shaped top piece, and then pin it all the way around. Sometimes I just like to start from the middle when I really don't want to pin, or I'm feeling too lazy to pin, or I just want to eliminate some of the processes. But for ease of work, just pin it so you don't have to struggle too much to stitch it in place. So for this one, I started from the middle and then I did the other edge. It's very easy and very fast. You can make probably 100 of these in a day or more. Once you're done stitching the side piece to the top, fix the back part so the edge is not raw. sort of like hemming it. And then after that, make sure you serge the raw edges inside or overlock all the way around so that the finishing is neat on the inside. And you're pretty much done. It's as simple as that, in just a few minutes. So that's how it looks on my mannequin head. See, very simple, very pretty, fits so well. This is a size that fits different people. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. It's always a pleasure having you here with us. And as always, please remember to subscribe if you haven't. If this is your first time, you're welcome. And continue to like and to share. And if you need the pattern for this crab cap, I will put a link on my description so you can purchase it from our website. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Thank you so much once again. Till next time. Bye-bye.